Welcome back, vegan friends. Today we're going to be making vegan tikka masala in less than 10 minutes. This recipe is so easy to make and it tastes incredible. Alright, let's get started. So first we're going to make a big batch of rice that we're going to use to pair with our tikka masala in the end, just to get a really nice and filling meal. And we're going to season this with some salt, some cumin, black cardamom, and a little bit of saffron. Just going to dump those in the rice cooker. And we're gonna go ahead and mix everything in and get a very rich in flavor. Alright, and then we're just gonna set this aside so it can cook while we do the rest. And we're gonna open up this box of Mori new extra firm tofu. Make sure you get the extra firm, because if you get anything softer, you're just gonna end up with a bunch of mush in your sauce. So let's go ahead and open up this pack, drain out the extra liquid. And then what we're going to do with this tofu is we're just going to go ahead and cut up cubes that we're going to use to side the sauce. Now I realized that I made my cubes a little bit too big, so next time I would definitely want to go smaller in size, but really that's just personal preference. And now we're just going to go ahead and set the tofu aside for the time being. Alright, now we're going to go bring our pan in and we're going to set the heat to medium high. And we're just going to let that heat up. And while that's heating up, let me tell you guys about this sauce, okay? It is the best vegan tikka masala sauce that we have yet to find on the market. It tastes very authentic, it has no preservatives, and just look at these directions. It's so simple. Just saute your proteins or veggies, add the jar, and then if you want to top it off with some coconut milk or broth or water, it's that simple. Alright, the pan is hot, so we're just spray some oil and add our tofu in there. And then we're also going to add about a cup of chickpeas in here, just so we can get it really packed with protein and make it extra filling. And that's just how we like our tikka masala, but really it's up to you what you want to put in here, whether you want to put some vegetables like cauliflower, or maybe you just want to do tofu by itself. It's up to you to play around with that. But this is our personal preference. So we're just going to let that cook up for about 2 or 3 minutes. And we're just going to keep mixing it so it doesn't stick. Alright, now we're going to get our tikka masala sauce and we're just going to dump out the entire jar in there. And then we're just going to mix it all in, get that tofu and all the chickpeas coated in the sauce. Okay, then we're just going to let that simmer for about another 2 minutes. Now, again, this is optional, but we're going to add half a cup of coconut milk in here just to get it really nice and rich and creamy. But you don't have to do this. You can also add maybe some broth or some water, or you can entirely skip this step. And then the sauce itself is pretty mild, so we're just going to add a pinch of red chili powder to give it a little bit of an extra kick. But again, that's optional depending on how spicy you like your food. Then we're just going to mix it all in. And then we're just gonna let it cook for about another 2 minutes so those flavors really seep into the sauce. All right. And it's done. That's it. Just a few minutes and it's done. So we're going to set that aside. In the meantime, our rice finished. We're going to remove that black cardamom, get a bowl out, scoop some rice in there, think I might have overcooked my rice by just a bit, but that's all right. It still tastes great. And then go ahead and fill up your plate with as much as the tikka masala as you want. And there you have it. That took less than 10 minutes. And I'm telling you guys, this tastes just as if you went and bought this from a restaurant and you made it at home in just a few short minutes. It is a very easy vegan meal to put together for dinner. We hope we were able to inspire your next vegan meal with this vegan tikka masala in under 10 minutes. It comes together very quickly, it's simple, minimal ingredients, and it tastes phenomenal. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried it or what other recipes you'd like to see us make next. We look forward to your comments, and always
don't forget,
thank you for watching.
You can get all the ingredients featured in this video at Vegan Black Market. You can also find links and a promo code in the description below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get access to more quick and easy vegan meals from Vegan Black Market. See you around, guys.